In the last video, I gave you two levels. I gave you this level and this level. What happened when we touched this level to the T? We pumped. What happened when we touched this level? We dumped. These were liquidation levels. And from here, you could have taken this trade, you could have taken this trade, or even a shorter trade if you didn't want to, if you were using leverage, which I do not recommend overusing. But the question is, what is going to happen now? The first thing you should know is that we definitely had a nice dump right here, because money flow just turned red, and now we have divergence as well. So I'm really looking for potential dumps from here. What are other trades we can take from here, apart from the short from this level? Another trade we can take potentially from here is a pump to this level right here, which will be liquidations, because this here, right here, we have stops. And stops of what? Stop losses of shorters that have stopped above this high. So I'm looking for potential shorts from here and from here to the downside. I'm mainly bearish biased for today, but I'll make another update tomorrow, because tomorrow I might be taking longs. If this video gets at least 10 likes, I'll make an update tomorrow on Jasmy. If you want to follow my trades, link in the description down below for my signals chat and my course, which I've discounted a lot. And BingX, you can get 8 grand in bonuses exclusive for referees. All of that will be available in the description. See you next video.